Hello everyone, Jalan Package here. Today I would like to show everyone a very exquisite gift box for small volume perfume bottles. As you can see, these two, they comes with a very nice color combination, and then you open it like this with a magnetic cover, and then inside you can see a window box, and then it's a drawer box, and then you pull it open, and then the insert is a very good quality EVA insert. And this is perfect for your small volume, very exquisite perfume bottles. And this is how it opens. Of course, we can custom made on the sizes and then on the colors, and then printing your logos is no problem. So that's all about these boxes. If you like any of these, please contact us. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.